So here friends, you can see this is the live market which is going on. You can see the changing picture here, and I have put here the chart of Infosys. So this is the 5 year, this is, you can see here, 5 minutes candle. So every 5 minutes the price has in the previous candle ended here and it started here. Fine. So by and large, at the end of the, not by and large, it is just at the end of 5 minutes the prices will change and a new candle will be formed. Similarly, if I make it now say 15 minutes candle, so price will change every 15 minutes, and so this is the closing price, opening price is this, closing price is this, again this is opening price and this is closing price. So we consider, for the purpose of moving average, only the closing price for a specified period of time, as we have already seen it. Now if I want to draw the moving average here, so this is actually, as far as the candle I have put here is of 15 minutes. Now friends, what I will do here is I will just increase the number of days, instead of 1 day I have put same 15 minutes candle for 5 days. And friends, now what I will do is I will put here the simple moving average. So this is simple moving average, it has come here. I will put a simple moving average of 10. So what it means, let me change the color here to yellow. So this is yellow. What it means, moving average of 10 means for previous 10 candles. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If all these were the closing price of 10 candles was here, so it has started here. So we have considered the average closing price of the candles is this moving average. So average actually is less, therefore you find the moving average also only up to this point. So this is as far as the drawing moving average is concerned. So I will draw, friends, one more moving average, and that moving average I will put here. It is a simple moving average. You can use exponential moving average, it will not make a difference. Now I will put another of 20 days moving average, and I'll put this color as white here, so you can see here. So moving average, now this is 20 days moving average. So friends, you can see here it has given the entry point, and after the entry point this has gone up and it is going up. So the entry is here where there is a cross, entry is here where there is a cross, and sell is here where there is a cross. Here you see it is not in a trend, it is basically going into a sort of sideways market. You can see here sideways market. So the person has not made money, but if you see here, now it gave a buy signal at 1242 and now it is 1255. So this is actually what happens is that at the lower cross you buy, at the upper cross you sell. And friends, now the best part is, as long as this price is above this moving average of here we have put moving average of I believe 5 and 10, as long as it is up, so there is no point of worry. Why? Because we have basically to sell at the cross, we have to sell at the cross. So whenever there is a cross we will sell, number one. Now there is one thing more here, friends, as long as there is lower cross you buy, upper cross you sell, as long as there is no whenever market is sideways you can remain away from the market. Now let us see, for better understanding, same Infosys on 1 day chart, how to use it with the indicators. Friends, here if you really see, I have put the indicators here, and I will put the indicator. Let me first check which is the RSI is here. I will put MACD also. I will put indicator MACD, and moving average I will make of 10 and 15. Okay, that is a better. Now friends, you can see here that the buy signal was generated here at 1096 on 12th of November, and it has already added 10% here. So here you see on the intraday charts these prices will be very less, but when you come to the daily, then say for example it gave a buy signal here at 936 on 14th of September, and it gave almost about in 1.5 months time, it again gave more than 10%. So friends, this actually goes from cross to cross you sell, cross to cross you sell, cross to cross you sell. Sometimes what happens is that a period comes of the flat, this flat period, and moving averages actually do not work in a flat market. Fine. Now what is the catch? How do we say that whether the market will be there will be a slope, or the market will be flat? Fine, friends, this actually the candles actually show a lot here. If there is a big candle, normally it will go up. If it is a small candle, you can see the small candles here. Fine, it will not go up and the market will fall flat. So the breakout actually is given by the large candle. So here we see, we have seen as far as the crossover is concerned, and then let us also check, this is RSI. You can see here RSI is indicating that it is already in the overbought zone, almost in the overbought zone. It does not have much strength, therefore actually it is telling that the stock might hover around or maybe sideways for some time. And the moving average gave crossover somewhere here. I will just mark it. You can see it. The moving average gave crossover. Where moving average gave crossover? Somewhere moving average gave crossover here, and after that, this blue line starts going up. So this has started going up. So the crossover of blue line and the crossover of this almost matches. Fine. As I will show you one more thing, that is why the matches means they don't match very accurately. But yes, what happens is that you can say that the market is likely to go up, as you can see it here. Here the market is showing a decline, already given a signal. So decline, this is sideways going, and from here it is going up. And friends, you can also see at the same time, it is showing here the market is going up, and see the market is going up. The moment the crossover of MACD is formed of moving averages, RSI is formed of moving averages, both three of them together gave very nice buying and selling signals. So friends, I am sure you have really understood the whole concept of moving averages. People tell, people don't tell, that is up to them. But yes, I have explained you. Fine. So thank you very much, friends, and I wish you all the luck. Make money in the stock market.